My day basically starts at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the mornings. Yeah. I get to prepare every single day for sushi in Price Smart. Cook the rice, the shrimp, get the salmon ready, get the tuna prep, then I deliver it to Price Smart myself on the mornings. I try to get there for 7:30 because my team starts at 8 a.m. Deliver all the rice and shrimp and salmon or whatever is needed on the day for the sushi. Ensure that the guys at the Price Smart Club are good on the mornings. Make sure that we are rolling, we are all set, we are executing at a high level daily. If you're an authentic sushi lover, you're not gonna like my sushi. The only raw product we carry is a tuna, which I added Jamaican jerk season to it to lend back to that Caribbean flavor. We have the smoked salmon. We have the classic California roll. Our shrimp is a tempura shrimp. And we had a vegetable roll that has in the cream cheese, carrots, cucumbers, classic with some fresh herbs on it. It's beautiful. When I leave Price Smart, then I have to go and get the fresh produce that's needed to accompany the sushi and accompany my dishes throughout the day, especially with Roma. So we're going into massive stores to get some fresh produce for the sushi bar and for Cook Caribbean. We got cook for Roma pasta and some other dishes we got prepared today to get things done for the company.
I've known Adrian Cumberbatch now for quite some time. In a previous store, Adrian was actually one of my employees. I'm very proud to be associated with his early experience into the working world, where he's now at the point where he's a business owner. I'm very happy that he has made Massey the supermarket of choice when he comes on mornings to choose his selection for his day.
What did you say? Is your solution? I don't know what you say there. She full of escort. We off to buy nature foods, do a song. Get my weekly supply of sushi items to last Wednesday. So you just shop from Wednesday to Wednesday or Friday to Friday, all depends on the time of the year.
I'm Dora Song, owner of Nature Foods Limited, and one of my great customers is Cook Caribbean, Adrian Cumberbatch, the owner. He has been buying from me for almost a year now, and he's doing very well, and he's supplying also to Price Smart on a big scale. His sushi is a little different because he is catering mostly for the local or Barbadian market. The Barbadians like sushi, they're starting to like sushi now, but they have little kind of a tendency, peculiarity, so he's catering to that.
I have the 2020 meeting with Roma, Miss Yasmin Ifram from Massey Distribution, who's the brand manager. We have to go and meet with her today to discuss Cook Caribbean and our vision for 2020 and what we have to do live as their brand ambassador.
It's from the 20th of January to the 13th, because Valentine's is the Friday.
Being Roma brand ambassador thus far has been brilliant. Working with Yasmin, she has a vision for the Roma pasta and the brand, and that is to increase awareness throughout Barbados on the products that's being used and the different varieties of pasta that is readily available in all supermarkets across Barbados. Here, oh, candy bar. But C-A-R-N-I-B-A-L.
Alright.
Candy bar. Don't book nothing there for Adrian Cumberbatch and the Cook Caribbean team. We're in Trinidad and Tobago. And her vision for 2020 is in line with Cook Caribbean. Educate, entertain, and to elevate. Hi, I'm Chef Adrian Cumberbatch. Welcome to Cook Caribbean Culinary Studio. And today we're making a Roma gluten-free pasta with vegetables and some seared chicken breasts, a healthier option. Plan for you, video production.
Talk about that. Any videos coming up for January?
Yeah.
How many? And what?
So we're gonna add a garlic and onion mix to the dish. Some fresh tomatoes. Some peppers. Cubed eggplant. Mushrooms. Of course, that chicken breast that we cooked. We're gonna sweat that out. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, paprika to the dish. We're gonna season here. Since we're only using olive oil to the dish, I'm gonna add another tablespoon of olive oil to help lubricate the pasta. You have fresh Bajan grown arugula. I add this in there whole. It's gonna add a bitter sweet taste to the dish. And then our pasta, our Roma gluten-free pasta to the dish. Toss it all together. Add a little bit more seasoning and make sure that people think that we're eating healthy. It doesn't have to have no taste, but I need to ensure that my taste is there. A quick toss. Get your ingredients ready. It's all set and ready. From here, we're gonna plate it into our dish and serve this fantastic Roma gluten-free pasta with chicken and vegetables. And you have your friends, your family coming over, or if you just want to have dinner by yourself, it's a nice healthy dish you can choose from. Make sure you get even the chicken. Presentation is always key. You know, eat with our eyes first. Add a little more to this dish. Then we're gonna add some cheese. You can top it some local microgreens that is grown in St. John, Barbados, to the top. And there you have it. Your Roma gluten-free pasta with chicken and vegetables. Artifus is in February. I'm gonna get back to girlfriends at school. Don't want to. So it's now 1 p.m. after lunch, so we're going back on our second check for Price Mart to ensure that the lunch production and thing is great. So quality check to ensure that all the sushi and thing is, you know, well rolled, looks well. The team is good. Our 20-piece variety pack. It has everything that's here: shrimp, tuna, veg, salmon, California. So we start here full, as you can see, we have no more salmon yet. You guys are gonna roll some salmon, have some salmon rolling. Pretty cool. Not too busy today, but it's lunchtime, so about 5, 6 o'clock is gonna pick back up. Have a full team here, so we're gonna be active and ready today, you know. That has been a Cook Caribbean production. It was a great day, long day. I got some more work to be done that you can't see, fortunately, so you gotta get over here, okay? Cook Caribbean, follow us on Instagram, call us 262-1673. Respect, manners, love, blessings.